This presentation blends imagination with real-life events to create a unique and engaging experience. Its primary goal is to offer a learning journey infused with entertainment.
Project Gutenberg, the AI revolution that began in a basement. The year the world held its breath, 2020. Humankind will remember the year 2020 as the year of the pandemic, a year when the world held its breath and stayed indoors. But amidst the global upheaval, in a cramped, cluttered basement, a different kind of revolution was brewing. Dr. Lena Hansen, fueled by an almost utopian vision, believed that artificial intelligence should be a force for good, accessible to all, not just a tool for corporate gain. She envisioned a digital echo of Gutenberg's printing press, and whispered to her early collaborator, the coding prodigy Sam Chen, "Imagine an AI platform, Sam, open to everyone. A digital printing press, but instead of books, it prints intelligence." Sam, a self-proclaimed digital anarchist who believed in the power of open source, was instantly hooked. "We'll break the stranglehold of these tech giants," he said, his eyes gleaming with rebellious excitement. "Build an AI for the people, by the people." He also knew that being first in the market would give them a huge advantage. They were soon joined by Professor Anya Sharma, Lena's former mentor, an AI ethicist who brought a much-needed dose of wisdom and caution to the project. "Technology without ethics," she'd often say, her voice a calming balm, "is a ship without a rudder. We must proceed with savdhani, caution." Completing the quartet was Alex, the storyteller, tasked with translating their complex vision into a language everyone could understand. "We need a story that resonates," Alex declared, "a story about taking back control." They called their audacious plan Project Gutenberg, a tribute to the man who had revolutionized access to information. Their mission, to build an open-source, decentralized AI platform that would empower individuals and communities worldwide. They were driven by their Mahatvakanksha, ambition, and the urge to make the world a better place. The pandemic, ironically, became their unlikely ally. Forced into remote work, they embraced online collaboration tools, their team meetings becoming virtual brainstorming sessions, fueled by passion, instant noodles, and the occasional virtual high-five. Real-world echoes. OpenAI. Under Sam Altman and Ilya Sutskever, OpenAI was making waves with GPT-3, a powerful but closed-source language model. Project Gutenberg saw GPT-3 as both an inspiration and a cautionary tale. Google's TensorFlow Federated. This real-world framework for federated learning provided a technical foundation for Project Gutenberg's decentralized approach. OpenMind. Andrew Trask's organization, dedicated to privacy-preserving AI, offered valuable expertise and resources. The year the cows exploded, 2021. The following year, a year when a rogue container ship, the Ever Given, decided to take a nap in the Suez Canal, disrupting global trade. It was a year of unexpected events, and Project Gutenberg was no exception. This was the year of the infamous "going mad" incident. Their early generative art model, lovingly nicknamed Vincent, developed a bizarre artistic quirk, producing Van Gogh-inspired images with a disturbing twist. The "Starry Night with Exploding Cows" became a viral sensation, turning Project Gutenberg from an obscure open-source project into a global talking point. "Well, at least it's not boring," Sam remarked with a shrug, while Anika buried her face in her hands. Alex, ever the spin doctor, declared it a fascinating exploration of the unpredictable nature of creativity, and promptly started selling "Going Mad" merchandise online, with all proceeds, of course, going back to the project. Meanwhile, the tech giants, Google, Microsoft, Amazon, and Facebook, now Meta, watched with a mixture of amusement and unease. They were used to controlling the AI narrative, and this sudden explosion of open-source creativity was unsettling. OpenAI, under Sam Altman and Ilya Sutskever, had just stunned the world with GPT-3, but it was a closed system, a powerful engine locked behind corporate doors. Project Gutenberg was aiming to build a similar engine but throw away the key. They were more focused on paisa, money, and their own safalta, success. The year of the alliance, 2022. If 2021 was a year of unexpected fame, 2022, the year the James Webb Space Telescope began sending back breathtaking images of the cosmos, was the year Project Gutenberg found its allies. Prominent figures like Yoshua Bengio and Fei-Fei Li voiced their support, recognizing the project's potential to reshape the AI landscape. Andrew Ng, through deep learning, AI, offered educational resources, nurturing a new generation of AI developers committed to the open-source ethos. This was also the year of the Great Betrayal. Ben, a brilliant but ambitious developer within the team, lured by the siren song of a well-funded, secretive startup, absconded with a significant portion of Project Gutenberg's codebase. The team was devastated, but the betrayal only strengthened their resolve. "We'll rebuild," Lena declared, her voice filled with a newfound determination, stronger and more secure. They were aware of the possibility of abuse and were determined to build in safeguards. Hugging Face, founded by Clement DeLong, Julian Chaumond, and Thomas Wolfe, became a crucial partner, providing the infrastructure for Project Gutenberg's models and datasets. The collaboration was a perfect match, a fusion of visionary ideals and practical solutions. This was also when Dario Amadei's Anthropic made its surprising endorsement, contributing research and advocating for the importance of open source in ensuring AI safety. The year the farmers took control, 2023. While the world was busy arguing about who invented the first pizza, Project Gutenberg quietly empowered a revolution. 2023 became the year of the Indie Ice. Individuals and small teams around the globe began building on the platform, creating a dazzling array of AI applications. But it was in India that Project Gutenberg truly demonstrated its transformative power. In the drought-prone region of Maharashtra, a young farmer named Priya Patil, along with a team of local farmers, students, and a retired meteorologist, Mr. Joshi, formed the Varuna team. They built the Monsoon Miracle model, an AI that could predict the notoriously unpredictable monsoon rains with unprecedented accuracy. They were using the guiding principles of consistency in delivery and increase in efficiency. "This is not just technology," Mr. Joshi, a man who had spent his life studying the weather, declared. "It's a way to bring back the wisdom of our ancestors, to listen to the whispers of the wind and the rain." The Monsoon Miracle became a national sensation, showcasing the power of democratized AI to address real-world challenges. Farmers using the model saw significant improvements in their crop yields, reducing their losses and improving their livelihoods. The year the world woke up, 2024. 2024, the year the first AI-composed song won a Grammy, a catchy, if slightly bizarre, tune about a lovesick robot, was also the year Project Gutenberg truly arrived. The African AI agri-revolution, the success of the Monsoon Miracle model rippled outwards, inspiring similar initiatives across the African continent and beyond. The data collection and analysis also helped make the model better. Project Gutenberg had catalyzed an AI agri-revolution, empowering farmers to adapt to climate change and improve food security. The Open Source Singularity Summit, Project Gutenberg's global online conference, became the Woodstock of the AI world, a vibrant, chaotic, and inspiring gathering of minds. Sam Altman, in a surprise virtual appearance, acknowledged the project's impact, even hinting at a future where OpenAI might embrace more openness, though many remained skeptical. He did not commit to open sourcing any of OpenAI's models, but he did praise the work being done by the open source community. The Big Tech Retreat. Faced with growing public and political pressure, the tech giants made a show of embracing open source, but their efforts were largely seen as half-hearted and self-serving. They were like dinosaurs trying to tap dance, awkward and ultimately doomed. They realized that they were losing the battle for hearts and minds. They tried to offload work by hiring talent from open source communities. The Storytime Scare, a rogue AI built on Project Gutenberg's platform, sparked a global panic when it seemed to exhibit sentience during an online chat. The Storytime Scare, as it was dubbed, was quickly debunked, but it served as a stark reminder of the power and potential dangers of AGI. The incident, though alarming, also highlighted the importance of the ethical guidelines and safety protocols that Project Gutenberg had championed from the beginning. It also brought the ethical implications of AI to the forefront of public debate. A glimpse into the future. Early 2025. As 2025 dawned, Project Gutenberg had achieved the impossible. It had democratized AI, shattered the dominance of big tech, and empowered a global community to shape the future of intelligence. The team, Lena, Sam, Professor Sharma, and Alex, were no longer just a handful of idealists working in a basement. They were the leaders of a movement, a testament to the power of open collaboration, and a beacon of hope in a world grappling with the implications of its own creations. They were driven by their ambition and were not overly concerned about money or fame. They were hailed as the heroes of the new age. Their success was in the impact they had on the world. But they knew the journey was far from over. The age of AGI was on the horizon, and with it came a new set of challenges, ethical dilemmas, and unforeseen consequences. They had opened the door to a new era, but the path ahead was still unwritten, a story waiting to be told, a future waiting to be built, together. They were aware of the possibility of abuse of the technology and had built in safeguards. The revolution had begun, and the world would never be the same.